What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to run through how to change a visor on an Arai RX-7V or the Arai VAS system, variable access system. It's a lot easier than the previous mechanism, which sounded like it was going to snap something at any moment, but the instructions are not brilliantly clear, so I thought I'd run through it in real time. So just move the helmet closer. So what we need to do is open the visor to the fully open position. So you've got this little black tab here. So you need to push it up, and then that will unlock the helmet visor, and then open it to the fully open position. From there, you'll reveal this little black tab with an arrow on it. You won't be able to see it in the camera, but a little arrow on it pointing to the back of the helmet. Just push that in, and the little pod, this little ear will fall off to the side. Okay. From there, you'll have a little brass pin that we need to align with a little red dot. Okay, so a brass pin, and we do that by simply closing the visor. So close the visor, and then it will align. When it's done that, you can just simply take the visor off. Okay, and then to replace the visor, we just have to do everything in reverse. So take the visor onto the red pin, push the visor into the mechanism, it will crack a little bit, and then open the visor to the fully open position. From there, it will crack again into position. Then you simply just take your pod, slide it down, and it will click into position, and the visor is good to go. Now, personally, I always find it easier to take both off at the same time. To do that, we need to face the helmet away from us, okay? Again, open the helmet visor into the fully open position. Fingers on both pods, or the little black lever, sorry. Pop it out, and then your little ears will fall out to the side. From there, take the visor in both hands and rotate it forwards. You'll hear a little click, and the visor will come off, and it's good to go. Okay, so again, and to replace, so what we need to do is brass pin into the red dot. Okay, so I do this one side at a time. So brass pin, red dot, brass pin, red dot, crack it into position, and then open the visor into the fully open position. It will click into place. From there, we take our little ears, snap them down into position, and we are good to go. Super simple, and a lot easier to see, I think, than work it out in the paper instructions. So that's it for today. Let me know if you have any questions on the Arai visor mechanism. I'll be setting this up as my motovlogging helmet very soon, so you'll be able to see that. But that's all I have for today. So if you've got anything from this helmet, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up anyway. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit that ding dong bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And that's it. I am out. Bye.